Good afternoon and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can reuse leftover juice pulp. If you juice regularly, you've probably wondered what to do with the leftover fruit and vegetable pulp. If you are like me, you probably feel guilty for throwing away the leftover pulp. However, the pulp from my juicer is not moist. Actually, it is very dry. It also does not have much of a taste or flavor. In addition, the pulp would have somewhat oxidized and be nutrient depleted after juicing. So can it really contribute to any good to your health? Obviously, there are many types of juicers available, and maybe the juicer that you use leaves you with a different kind of pulp. I have tried to bake it in muffins and use it to make vegetable broth. They have come out okay. However, what concerns me is that vitamins and enzymes are destroyed with heat. Therefore, by baking and cooking with the pulp, there is probably not much nutrition being gained. Plus, I have already gotten the best of the nutrients in my juice. I have found that mixing the pulp with my dog's food for dinner gives him a low-calorie filling treat and also provides him with some fiber. Or you can make doggy treats. However, please be aware, certain foods are toxic to certain pets. So make sure it's safe for your dog first. If you happen to have farm animals, you can feed the leftover pulp to them. Chickens, goats, and horses will appreciate the treat. Leftover pulp is great when dehydrated. You can dehydrate the pulp to make vegetable or fruit leathers by simply adding a little water. This makes a healthy snack and will also last for a while. You can also dehydrate it to make pulp crumble, which can be used to top salads and soups. Better yet, you can take the dehydrated pulp and blend it to create a powder that you can then add to meals. Juice pulp also makes great fiber-filled crackers. Lastly, the pulp can be reused as compost for your plants. You can bury the pulp into the soil around the plants as fertilizer. Plants have the amazing ability to reconstruct the minerals from the pulp into organic materials that are suitable for our bodies. If you want to do this, make sure that you bury the pulp instead of laying it on top of the soil. This is so that it will decompose nicely into the soil, and also to prevent it from becoming moldy or attracting ants. I hope that this gives you some ways to reuse your leftover juice pulp and get inspired to reduce food waste. As always, thank you for watching. Good day and good health.